If you have any Android phone sliding around the home, or you don't need to use it, or if for some reason you have an Android around the home that you don't use it, or some of them maybe it's broken. For example, I have this Samsung Note 8. The screen is broken, and I'm going to show you why it's still usable and it can give you a good feature. I'm going to plug into my monitor straight. I've charged it. So I've got my phone, which is like screen is broken. As you see, it's just flashing and it's turning on. I'm not seeing any worthy of fixing it and using it. I just want to see if I can use it still with something. So I just go and plug in the phone to my monitor, and you see that? By the way, the touch screen is working still, but the screen is flashing and it's not usable with the phone. I just plugged into my monitor, and yes, we have the Samsung DeX here. I'm going to see if I can connect my mouse. Yeah, I connected my mouse straight to the monitor, and yeah, now I can go browsing. I can install apps. You see, I have a lot of apps here. Sometimes I use it because I'm an iPhone user, and sometimes if I need some Android app, or if I want to do something with Android ecosystem, then I go on use this Samsung DeX, straight plug into my monitor. My Wi-Fi is connected automatically. Everything is here ready, and it's very cool and useful. Even if you're an iPhone user, you can still use it. It's a broken or some Android that you don't need it, or sometimes even for a beginner, like, or for a base usage for someone or who in the house want to use for like a simple apps, like what do you call, like Office or stuff. You can install Windows on it. And next video I'm going to install a Windows on this phone, and we'll see how we can run a Windows and do the basic works like a Microsoft Office and stuff on this phone, and we're gonna run it on our monitor. So I hope you like the video. Let me know if you would like to know about more tips and tricks about the tech stuff, because for the budget people, they always look for the solutions which cost less and give more creative or practical solution. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.